Hello, my YouTube family, and welcome back to the Decor Diary. Are you planning to refresh your bedroom in 2025? Then you are in the perfect place because today we are taking you through 150 plus modern wooden cupboard design ideas that bring together style, function, and the latest interior trends. For every kind of home, a cupboard is more than just a storage unit. It's the centerpiece of your bedroom, the element that sets the tone of the entire space. With the right design, your wardrobe can transform your room from simple to stunning while keeping everything neatly organized. In this video, you will see stylish wooden cupboards, sleek sliding door wardrobes, smart storage for small bedroom, luxurious master bedroom closets, and even dreamy walk-in wardrobe ideas that reflect the best of 2025 design. Wooden cupboards continue to dominate modern interiors because of their timeless look and durability. But what's new this year is the shift toward clean lines, matte texture, and natural tone like oak, walnut, and teak. These finishes make the room feel warm and inviting, while darker wood and high gloss surface add the touch of modern luxury. If space is limited, sliding wardrobes are a game changer. They save room, look neat, and when designed with mirrors, they instantly make small bedrooms feel larger and brighter. Forest glass or matte finish sliding doors are also trending, gives a minimal yet elegant vibe for compact bedrooms, vertical cupboards that stretch up to the ceilings, maximize every inch of space, and corner wardrobes turn unused areas into practical storage. Wall mounted cupboards are another clever choice, keeping the floor free and giving the room a lighter, airy feel. In large master bedrooms, wardrobes have moved beyond storage to become statement pieces. The latest designs feature modular interiors with bullet-in lighting section for accessories and elegant glass shutter that turns your wardrobe into a modern showcase. And if you are lucky enough to have the space, nothing beats a walk-in closet. The trends for 2025 is all about open shelving, LED strips, lights, customs, drawers, and a bouquet like feel, often with wooden finishes paired with glass partition that create a luxurious yet practical dressing areas. Color choice also play a huge role. While natural wood remains a favorite modern bedroom in 2025 are embarrassing matte black, earthy beige, soft gray, and two-tone wardrobes that combine wood with white or glass for a fresh, contemporary look. Metallic handles in gold or silver are also making a comeback, adding instant glamour. But style is not everything, functionality is equally important. The smartest cupboard now include soft close drawers, hidden compartment, adjustable shelves, and bullet-in mirrors that make your everyday routine effortless. Some homeowners prefer open wardrobes for quick access and a modern look, while others go for closed design to keep everything neat and clutter free. So, which wardrobe is best for your bedroom? For small room, sliding wardrobe or mirrored cupboards work wonders. for spacious master bedroom, modular wooden wardrobes with lighting are ideal, and for those who want ultimate luxury, a walk-in closet is the dream choice. Placement matters too. If your room is compact, wardrobes work best against one wall or tucked neatly into a corner, while larger rooms can dedicate an entire wall to create a bold, stylish solutions. The beauty of these 150 plus covers design ideas is that there's something for every lifestyle. Whether you prefer minimalist simplicity, bold luxury, or space saving smart design, pair them ching bedroom furniture like beside table, vanities, or dressers, and you will achieve a perfect coordinated interior. A well designed wardrobe does not just keep your clothes in place, it enhances the look of your room, making it feel more modern, comfortable, and organized. And let's not forget about the finishing touches that really change the look of your cupboard. Glass shuttered with a forested tint finish are trending right now because they keep things sleek while still showing hint of what's inside. Mirror are another timeless option. They make your room look bigger and more stylish without adding any extra furniture. Lightning also play a huge role in 2025. Some design even include motion sensor light that automatically turn on when you open the cupboard, perfect for convenience and energy saving. So stay with us till the end to explore this full collection of 150 plus modern wooden cover design ideas 2025 and tell us in the comments which one match your dream bedroom, and always don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the Decor Diary for more stunning home interior design ideas and latest 2025 decor trend. So stay tuned, keep watching.